Hello everybody and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're having an amazing week. Currently it is Friday and let's get right to the charts as we do have some very important things that we need to cover right now. Firstly, Bitcoin just hit 93k today. As you can see, we basically got a week just around 93, but our target still remains 93.7k, or basically 94 is basically the Fibonacci golden pocket. But as you can see, we actually did tag it. We did tag the 0.65 at 92k. So basically, if Bitcoin starts breaking above this level right here, then potentially, as I have told you, 98k would be the next target. But as of right now, we might see price consolidate a bit right here before potentially retesting the lows before going for that bullish retest. And why I am saying this is because today the CME future markets, they actually were not working. There was a data outage, as you can see right here, due to a cooling issue at CyrusOne data centers. The markets were halted, so there were around about 5 to 6 hours we did not see the CME future markets open. But as you can see right now, everything is back up and Bitcoin is also still doing well. So this is also something very important that we had to cover today. Also, the dollar had a push up basically today after rejecting from the moving averages, as you can see right here, before going lower. In my opinion, the dollar went up because the future markets were halted, but as of right now, everything is running back nice and smoothly. Ethereum also broke, as you can see, after bouncing from our golden pocket, the local golden pocket right here. You can see basically we are up. We did push another 3.5% to the upside, which is nice to see. The next target for it would be the weekly R1, and if we manage, basically we almost got up there, then the next target would be the weekly R2, which is sitting at 3,225. Basically from the bottom, if we measure to up there, this would be 24% of a move. So it might very well be the current top if we get to up there. Also, as you can see on today's move, we still don't have high open interest, even though price is slowly pushing higher, as you can see right here. So this is just late short positions getting squeezed. There are no new money coming into the market. Basically, we don't see any new positions because, as you can see, our open interest is still going down, even though the price is going up. Also, as you can see, this is basically the liquidity that has been taken out as of today at 93k. I did tell you that this liquidity, the price will come sooner or later to hunt it, and basically today it got right to the dollar at $93,000. There were no ETF inflows because today it is a holiday, basically yesterday, so we might see some inflows or potentially outflows coming in the next week. The long versus shorts ratio is actually higher right now just by a bit. We do have on the overall in all exchanges combined more buyers, as you can see right now, but basically just by a 0.34% of a difference. But as you can see on Hyperliquid, we still have more sellers in the market. This is basically where I like to get my information from. This is basically where the bigger whales are trading, so it is very nice thing to look for. The funding rates still remaining negative on most of the major exchanges, as you can see. We did have the Bitcoin futures expiration today, basically We had options expire today, so of course we saw some volatility in Bitcoin, and we did tag this level that I was talking about. If we break above the weekly pivot, that we are going to be potentially going to this target, and this is exactly how it played out. Now the Bitcoin dominance also pushing hard, which of course is not good for the altcoins, but once it starts falling to the downside, then we will see Ethereum and Solana potentially go way hard. As you can see, Solana is right now still struggling after rejecting from this level that I gave you yesterday. So basically we are potentially going to test the weekly pivot once again before price goes for another retest of the highs. And the stock market is right now, the S&P 500, as you can see, potentially going to our all-time high. As I have told you, if we break above this level, which we clearly did right here, and get a bullish retest, which we also got right here, then it is very, very likely for the stock market to go up and test the all-time high again, or maybe just the weekly R3, which is basically a couple of percents away from the all-time high. So very, very possible scenario. And I think this covers it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.